there, everybody. In the morning, afternoon, and evening, I hope you guys are having a good trading day so far. So, Google's getting a nice push higher. Right now, I have this showing up on the hourly chart. And as you can see, beautiful move to the upside, still has a squeeze. So, this might actually turn out for a profit for some of y'all. Certainly, this is the closing order I'm showing here on the notepad. I just closed it out for a scratch given how low this one was yesterday. I would hate to see it be at break even now and then by market close this has reversed right back down and all of that capital disappears once again. So sometimes when it comes to trading, it's about account management and just being mindful of your risk. Let me pull up the Thinkorswim tab here. So if you look at Thinkorswim, you can see right now you should be able to close out for a profit. So, might have been able to hold on a bit longer. But like I said, more than happy recouping my capital. Now, from a daily perspective, I still think Google looks great to the upside. This was the move I was looking for more of this week. It's happening right at the end of the week. So, maybe if I gave myself a little bit more time on the trade, it would have worked out well. And like I said, you should probably be able to close it out for at least a small profit. So maybe it's still working out well for you guys. If you want to leave on a runner, I don't think that looks like a bad idea, especially if the squeeze can continue to fire to the upside on the hourly chart as well as the daily squeeze. Just please be mindful of your capital risk and that possibility of a reversal. And also be mindful that today is expiration. So you want to make sure you are closed out of this by market close to avoid any risk around assignment for this setup. But overall, I'm more than happy to have recouped my capital because that means I can go now and place that into a brand new trade idea, ideally with a better setup. May come back to Google, whether it's for the $500 challenge or just over in the small lots room at Simpler Trading to continue to play for a run up into earnings. I don't think that looks bad now, given that the 10 is rolling off the 30. Let me show the chart here. Okay, so that the 10 period simples rolling off the 30, Bollinger Bands are starting to flare open. We have rising momentum with plenty of room higher. This is a valid bullish signal, and then we still have this daily squeeze. So we'll see how everything looks going into the close today. But like I said, more than happy to recoup my capital on this one. So that way I can put it back into a new trade idea. Thank y'all so much for joining me. As always, may the trade be with you, my fellow Jedis, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Bye.